We have poison ivy, and somebody told me to put oatmeal and calamine lotion. Getting better. Getting better, much better. So, maybe next week I'll be fine. So, warning for everybody. Don't go closer to the poison ivy. Make sure you know the poison ivy, how it looks, because they have a lot of bunch of different species. They got me real good. Face also, my body, my 2 arms. The right arm is not that bad, but the left is the worst one.